Hi guys, welcome back. If like me, you've got BMW with a TFT screen and you're having fun pairing your phone to the TFT, your Cardo to the TFT, but also your Cardo to your phone, stick around, stay tuned. Hopefully this will help you out. I've been fiddling around with it. I have to say I haven't tested it out properly, but at the moment it's letting me connect everything all through the TFT. So first thing, if we fire the bike up, excuse the alarm beep, TFT comes to life. So what we'll do, the menu button on the bike, we'll press down, and then we get this screen here. That's just got your info about the vehicle. Now if you notice, the navigation, the media, the telephone is all greyed out, so they're not available. So if we go across to settings, and we've got an arrow indicating down to show us that there's more things available. So if we press down, go down to connections using the jogger wheel and then click it to the right. Now you see there's no connections at all, no mobile device, no rider's helmet, passenger helmet or anything. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to pair the rider's helmet. So if we come across to the Packtalk and we press and hold those two buttons, that will fire up.
Hello, Packtalk Bold, DMC, intercom, mode.
Right, what I'm going to do now, the bottom button there, this is a Packtalk Bold by the way, it's different process for on the edge. Press and hold that, that will put it into Bluetooth pairing.
Mobile phone 1, pairing.
Right, come across back to the bike, and where it says rider's helmet, we're going to click to the right, and we're going to pair new rider's helmet. Now that's searching, and straight away it's found the Packtalk, so click right again.
Paired successfully.
Now I've just heard that say paired successfully. The TFT does take a little longer just to register that it is paired, but I have heard the Cardo say paired successfully. And there we go. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the Cardo, we're going to turn that off. What we're going to do now, we're going to scroll up to mobile device, go across, then we're going to wake my phone up, pull down, go into the settings, go to Bluetooth, and that's searching now. So on the bike, go right, pair new device. Now hopefully that's going to, there you go, straight away, it's found my phone, the S20. Now if I click right to tell it to pair to that, now it should come up. The phone is asking for it to pair. I'll click pair, and on the bike we'll click right to say accept. Now what that's doing now, that's putting all my info, contacts and everything onto the TFT. Now the phone is saying, can that TFT have access to your contacts and your call history? We'll click allow. So that is the phone paired to it as well. And just to check, if we go back again, now in this screen, if we go left, the telephone's available, media is available because that's the media that's on the phone. Navigation is available because the BMW Motorrad app is also on my phone, and that's just the vehicle info. So that's all available now. So that's telling me, just to double check, go into connections, my phone's connected and my Packtalk Bold is connected. So press that button, come back to the main screen. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the bike off. And I'm going to bring my phone, I'm going to bring my phone over here. Now we're going to pair the Cardo to my phone, but on channel 2 on the Cardo. Now the Cardos are able to pair your phone and a sat-nav with no problem at all. So what we're hoping is that the Cardo is going to be channel 1 to the bike, channel 2 to my phone. So it's going to have the 2 connections, it's going to have all the facilities from the phone, and it's also going to have the bump from the bike. So first off, we want to turn on the Cardo.
Hello, Packtalk Bold, DMC, intercom, mode.
Press and hold the pairing button again at the bottom.
Mobile phone, 1, pairing.
When you hear that, press
Mobile
twice.
phone, 2, pairing.
Now that's pairing that on mobile 2. What we need to do is go to the phone, come into Bluetooth, and there you see Packtalk
Paired successfully.
paired successfully. So that now my phone is paired to the Cardo on channel 2. The bike is paired to the Cardo on channel 1, and my phone is also paired to the bike. Let's fire it up and see what we get. I'm going to bring my phone up here, 1 second. Right, just for ease. So if we go down into the, ignore this flashing, it's because of the screen with the frame rate. It's not flashing. Let's go down to connections. Now what I have noticed, the Cardo is connected to my phone perfect. But watch, now that's been on for about 30 seconds so far. There you go, it's found my phone. And now it's found the Cardo. Now hopefully, you'll see that none of these are greyed out now. Telephone because the phone's connected, the music, the nav, that's all there. Now if I play music from my phone, it will come through the speakers of the Cardo, you'll hear that. I'll turn that down once it starts. So let's get some music going. Let's go back. What about a Toto? I'll turn that down a bit just so that hopefully you can hear me speaking as well. Now that is playing, that's music playing on my phone. Coming through the Cardo so I can hear it in my helmet. Now watch this. You can pause it. This is using the jogger wheel now. Let's do that so you can see. So that's paused. Now we go to play. So I'm working my phone through the jogger wheel. Now I'm hoping, you see, we'll use the jogger wheel again and we'll go to the next track. There we go. We'll go back. Now there's also a down button on that as well, so let's go down again. Oh yeah, and there's the pause button down there. So at the moment everything is working as I'm wanting it to. I will do a bit of a review when I'm out riding and test everything. But I mean, if you've been having a bit of faff with these TFT screens, pairing up with your phone and the Cardos, so phone to the bike, Cardo on channel 1 to the bike, Cardo on channel 2 to the phone. Hopefully it all links up and everything's tickety-boo. Hope you found that helpful, and even more so, hope it all bloody works when I get out and try it. Cheers for now.